Hello everyone, this is Vikas. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn what is constructors, what are the types of constructors, and how to declare a constructor. Okay, so 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 first of all we see the what is constructor. So basically constructor is a special type of method. Okay, it's a special type of methods, and whenever we declare the class of the whenever we declare object of the class, at that time we have to we have to assign the value, or whenever we calling the whenever we creating the object of the class, at that time constructor will be called automatically. Okay, so first of all, what are the rule of constructor means how to declare a constructor. So constructor is special types means it's the same name of the method. Constructor means same name as the class name. Okay, so class name is here. I declared one class name is test constructors, and what are the method of that class? The method name is also test constructors. Okay, there is no any return data type. Okay, there is no any return type of constructors. Okay, and also we can't provide any access modifier before the constructor. Okay, so but we can also apply the public, but it's another features. Okay, but we can't add the like public, private, protected, inherits like that. We can't add it like that. Huh? Okay, so now, so the when the when the execute when the object of the test constructor is called, so default method will be automatically called like this. Here these are the example of test constructors. Here I declared a one class object. Okay, that name is tc1. Okay, there is no any parameters. Why? Because I have declared a structure as a default. Okay, so, and second one is constructor. Second type is constructor with parameterized. Okay, in the above example, sorry, in the previous methods we declared only the methods. There is no any argument, that method called as default method. And second one is the parameterized methods. Okay, second one is parameter. What are the parameter of the test constructors? Roll numbers and names. Here I mentioned the roll numbers and name. Okay, while the creating of the object of the test constructors, we should be initialize the value of the test of the constructor. Okay, so I am mentioning the value 31321. Okay, and name is because it's my name. Okay, so whenever I creating the instance of the class or object of the class, at that time I should I should provide the value of that method. So that this is called as parameterized constructor. And now third one is constructor overload. Okay, so what are the constructor overload and what are the parameterized constructor? Constructor parameterized means we passing the argument to the constructor. So what are the overloading is? Overloading means the same name, same method name. Here also the one method name is that is a test constructor, and this method's name is also same. And here the different parameters, but I passed two parameters here also and here also. But what matter in the operate overloading concept, the sequence of the first one is type of the type of while the while the while the overloading. Okay, sorry, while the overloading method, only three methods, only three process will be followed by compilers. Okay, first one is sequence of the parameters. Here I passing the int roll numbers, but my sequence is in the another method is string name. Okay, these are the also different. sequence of the data types, and then numbers of data type. Okay, and third one is uh, sequence of the data type. Sequence of the data type. Uh, how many parameters provided, then what are the types of parameters, okay, and count the number of parameters. Okay, number of parameters. First one is sequence of the parameters, third one is number of parameters, okay, and then third one is types of parameters. Sequence of parameters, okay, sequence of parameter, types of parameters, and number of parameters. These are the rule for the while the overloading. Okay, there is no any return data types rule apply for the on the overloading concept. Okay, so here also I passing the two different method with two different parameters. Okay, so it is called, this type of constructor called as overloading constructor. Now the third one is fourth one is copy constructor. So what are the copy constructor? Copy constructor means it's a copy of existing constructors, or it's a copy of existing methods. It's copy of existing object of the constructor. Okay, so here I calling the method, here I declared the one, here I was passing from the initialization of the constructor. Here this fourth one is the copy constructor. While the declaring the object or creating the object of the constructor, I am passing the object of that constructor. What are the object? Object are the test3. Okay, these are the passing. When you will know that whenever we passing the data from the integer, it should be converted to the integers. Whenever we data taking from the string, it should be converted as a string. But here I taking the data from which type? I am taking the data from the in the form of object. So must be a data should be written as a class. Okay, so that's why I provided as a name is the class name. Okay, these are the class name, and what are the object? So accessing I'm accessing the object of this class using the test method. Okay, here we saw the default constructor, parameterized constructor, overload constructor, and copy constructor. These four types of constructor we have completed. So now see what will be the output here also. And last one is default constructor. Sorry, static constructor. What is the static constructor? Static constructor call only once time. Okay, call only once time. Okay, here in the following example, I calling at the first time. Okay, first four methods. Okay, at that time the default static constructor is also called, and after that method I calling the I am again calling the all the methods, but at that time it is not calling to the static methods. Okay, see here, whenever I calling at the first time, so static constructor will call. Whenever I calling into the second time, there is no there is no any the compiler not calling to the static methods. Only once time static method will be called. Okay, these are the example of constructor. Okay, thank you.